Large and modern timber buildings like the Court Theatre really come with unique challenges because they're usually hybrids, where various systems and materials get combined. And that introduces a lot of complexity and uncertainty. And the question really is, how do we as an industry best deal with that complexity and uncertainty?
We've all experienced pain on site when stuff doesn't fit. Stuff takes ages to resolve, and our process resolves that. We focus on it early before it even gets to site. We resolve the issues. We come up with better solutions to suit the situation. And once we've completed that process, it goes to the CNC, gets cut to millimeter accuracy, and then delivered to site. It goes together like clockwork.
So BIM helps us improve efficiency through mass customization, but it also provides better certainty around cost, quality and time frame at a much earlier stage in the process. That creates a much more efficient building process because it allows a bespoke building to be delivered to site as a kit set for rapid installation. So by having 5 large CNC machines, it means that we can deliver mass customization at scale. We often rely on contractors or the likes of Offsite Design to do the full coordination between different trades. So they coordinate between the steel, the precast concrete and timber trades to make sure there are no clashes and to make sure that everything interfaces seamlessly so that there are no hold-ups on the building site.
We've got the world's largest flatbed timber CNC on the far side. We've got its sister to its right. And then we've got a 360-degree beam processor, meaning we can process 360 degrees around those members. So we have by far the most capability in the country. And not only do we have more capability, we have the ability to process greater scale and more processing with more speed. We see a large focus and a shift from more traditional concrete and steel structures, high carbon emitting structures, to low carbon solutions in timber. So for that reason, not only have we invested in the state-of-the-art facility, some $70 million, but we're continuing to invest since the initial investment.
Historically, we used to have to make things fit. Now we're in a position to be able to deliver them to perfection exactly how they are set in the model. The levels of efficiency that we've found from doing that is astronomical. With the level of engagement with digital, the use of digitization in construction, we can now see a clear difference with the main contractors and the clients that we're dealing with, the ones who are invested into it and looking to be able to deliver things much better. Those are the contractors and the people that we want and the projects that we want to be interested in because they showcase innovation and a level of efficiency to be able to deliver. I suppose historically the digitized model was being used as a design and an aesthetic tool, not necessarily going down through as a delivery tool also. So we're basically allowing that investment in that model at the front end to continue through the cycle of the design through to the delivery to a completed project on site. 100% I'm biased, but look around, look at the aesthetic, look at the detail, look at the environment that timber creates. It's so warm and awesome. It's an epic space. It simply is, it's awesome.
From design to installation, a continuous digital process delivers the precision, efficiency and certainty every step of the way.